It's a very just close community, quaint downtown. It's very Hallmark Channel like, and it's a great little town. It's almost like a school reunion when folks come in here. I moderate our Finding Joy in the Journey, which is our Alzheimer's and dementia support group. And one day we couldn't even talk about it because everybody had gone to school together and they were reconnecting. So instead of hosting an Alzheimer's and dementia group, I was hosting a mini high school reunion, and it was really fun. We have neighbors in our memory care. They raised their children. They were neighbors for over 50 years, and they raised their children together, and now they're neighbors in a companion suite in our memory care. And it's just the sweetest thing. I think that's one of the things that gives me great joy in this position, is to see the families reconnect. It's pretty awesome.